This box is very kindly asking me to handle it with care. So, with all of the care in the world and the trusty knife of reckoning, we need to open up this box inside a box, see what it is, see what it needs, see what sort of project it is going to be. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, this came today actually. Need to open it so that the owner can leave feedback on the eBay and we can carry on with life. So yes, I think I know what this is. I think it is some sort of Hoover Celebrity. Yes, another one. Although this one is a bit different to the last one, I think mainly in its colour. Oh crikey, where do I even begin? I think we're just going to have to slice. Oh, there's more boxes. Ooh. Oh, I can see a hose. Look, we'll have that out. Ooh, but I have not had that hose end before on one of these cleaners. The hose is in immaculate condition though. Little bit of a wipe down needed, but that is a million times better than the last one of these that we had. Oh. Come on. Just, yeah, lovely. Right, here we have the wands, which aren't going to just come off because obviously there's a pip on the end which is going to be a pain. And you know what? They are pretty flipping good. Well, that one is anyway. Let's check that this one is as well. Got to be a bit careful that you don't. That I don't slice and scratch the wand. Yeah, this is like the opposite so far of the last one of these we had. Yes, look, the wands, they are not rusty, they are not terrible, they are perfectly adequate. Oh, and I think we got another box under here, top marks to the seller of this vacuum cleaner. Oh. For the packaging, I must say. There we go. That's better. Whew. The reason I'm doing this is because it's recycling bin day on Monday, so I can get all of this in there, out of the way. It's a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner that is a different colour to the last, because yes, I've never had a yellow one of these. I've only ever had orange ones, either myself owned or in for repair. Apart from they are identical machines to the orange ones. They've even got the same model number, I do believe. S3005 from 1979. This one is in such better condition than the orange one. It's actually quite clean. It is a good polish, but that is immaculate. Underneath is much better as well. I don't worry too much about that because I know that the seller has packed it all in here. So before we do that, we'll have a quick peek at the plug. See if it's a vintage plug or not. It is actually, because it hasn't got shielded pins. We have, it's not branded, but the old generic cheapy plug. Very nice, nothing wrong with that at all. Well, one crevice tool in the usual style with the Hoover roundel. There it is, look. Ooh, a dusting brush. Very good condition, a bit used, but that should, when it's washed, perk up a treat. It's filthy inside, that's where the filth is. Externally it's very nice. And the wall and hard floor brush. No floor tool with it, sadly. We have some pattern bags again. Although interestingly there are some differences to the orange one. This is like completely white as opposed to the orange one which had an opaque type. The roundel is completely different. The ratings plate is completely different as well. Oh, the whole thing's filthy, but not too bad. Well, I'm going to need some tools because we've got to screw this on. So I'm going to find a screwdriver and we'll come right back. Righty then. Let's open this up. I knew this was off because I got passed on the message from the seller saying that he would take it off so it didn't get damaged in the post. And you know what? That is exactly the right attitude to have. Indeed. Ooh. Well, we have a button that I have never seen before. That'll be interesting to see how that works. Here are our screws. So we'll take those out. And we're going to take this bit of tape off this button. It's almost like a latch. Oh. There we go. And it does just sit on here like so. So no idea what that latch does at all. There's nothing inside here or anything. I'll tell you what we can also do. We can have a quick peek at underneath here just to see what we're doing, because the other one that we've had recently, the orange one, had its cables joined by twisting the wires together and covering them in insulation tape. That had dried out. And this one is okay. Wow. See, this is why you know this has been cleaned out. You can tell because around here is just filth. Have the original terminal block, that's excellent to see. The suppressor will be coming out, but that should be okay for now, and the motor is just filthy. But again, that won't take much to sort out at all. So we'll pop this back on. There we go. Fat screw went there. Come on. There we go. This bit, I'm going to ask about this on the forums after filming this. So by the time the after video happens, I should know what the heck I am dribbling on about. It's also missing its pre-motor filter. I reckon they must have just got lost over the years. And nobody's ever thought to maybe make another one. We will be doing that in the after video, just like the first one, I think. I've got some more Miele filters. handle on, we'll find one of these bags. I'm not faffing around trying to find anything better today, I'm afraid. Oh, I made a mess of it. Oh, we had the original bag clip, but these bags are closed-ended anyway, so that is okay. We shall open it up. These seem slightly better. Look, there is a rubber seal there, so these are a slight step up from the other horrible pattern bags you can get for these. So I don't think I've ever seen a pack of genuine. Oh, put a hole in that now. Have I? Yep. Oh. You just can't get them on very easily. I've never seen anything better for a celebrity. Right, be more careful. There we go. And with that on, look, does absolutely nothing, I don't think. Oh wait, no it does. Ooh. There's a little tang here. Oh, it stops the hose from turning. That's quite clever, although I didn't think they suffered from that really. Right, I'm just going to tear this completely in half so I don't stare at it trying to work out if it's any good or not. And we'll put this one in here. Move the tools out of the way and we shall get this plugged in and see how it works. We have power at the wall and I've gone and got my spare pit fix head so we can demonstrate this on the carpet. So, we'll take our Hoover 1, 2, 3. This is in position 1. Obviously all this does is open up the valve at the back. So it needs to stay in position 1 and in theory... Oh. Well, it immediately floats better than the other one. I don't know what the differences are, but I imagine this is just less battered on this one than on the orange one. The orange one, yeah, wasn't in as good condition as this. So that's good. Oh, let's pop the tools on so it doesn't, there we go, fits on okay. Oh. Look, there's a mess down there. We may as well. Give it a bit of a clean up. So, hey, this isn't too bad at all, this isn't. Certainly we'll just need a good full refurb. Get the suppressor out. And you know what, this is going to be a very, and machine polish that, because I couldn't machine polish the other one because paintwork was just too bad. This is a lot better. So, mellow yellow flying saucer is unboxed. Works. Is in far better condition than the last one I had. Obviously this doesn't belong with it, so it can go away. And there we go. So, little short unboxing for us today. The next time you see this it will be finished, done, pretty, ready to show you what it looks like now. Well, when it's done. So, stay tuned for that video. Sure, we'll have some more vintage Hoover in between now and then, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.